Hi students, how are you? Are you fine? How is your holidays going on? Okay, this is the very first class in our English program. Let us see a small lesson in this class. Here, today we are going to see 3-letter words and 4-letter words. Okay students, it is the easiest topic. Listen along with me so that we can learn some of the 3-letter words and 4-letter words. The 3-letter words are nothing but it is made up of 3 letters. Okay, in 4 letters, 4 letters made up of a word is called 4-letter words. Okay, now let us see some of the words. What season is now? How was the day today? What? Yes, it is a very hot summer day. Now, some of the pictures we are going to see along with the spellings, it is very suitable for our situation. Okay, see the pictures. Summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. This is the season which we have now. Next, in summer, sun is the famous. All the day, the whole day, we experience the hot sun, isn't it? Yes. What is the spelling for sun? S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. In summer, we like to play in water. Yes, children? Yes, usually everybody like to play in water or swim in pool or take bath in a cool water. Okay, see here, pool, P-O-O-L, pool. What is meant by pool? You know that, isn't it? Okay, next, beach, B-E-A-C-H, beach, B-E-A-C-H, beach. Okay, then see the next word, swim, S-W-I-M, swim. What is meant by swim? You know that, swimming. Okay, swimming in water. Okay, swim. Then wave, W-A-V-E, wave. Next one is surfboard, S-U-R-F, surf, B-O-A-R-D, surfboard. Next word is float, F-L-O-A-T, float. In water, we used to float by using this. Okay, then water, W-A-T-E-R, water. You are all familiar with water. Yes, no children? Okay, then sand, S-A-N-D, sand. We play with sand. Usually in our school days also, we used to play with sand in our ground. S-A-N-D, sand. And then bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Then spade, S-P-A-D-E, spade. Next word is spade. Next, another one word, sand castle. You all like to build a sand castle while playing in the ground. Sand castle. Let us see the spelling. S-A-N-D C-A-S-T-L-E, sand castle. And then shell. Shell, have you seen the shell? Yes, usually everybody will collect the shell from the sand. Shell, S-H-E-L-L, shell. Another next word is swimsuit, S-W-I-M-S-U-I-T, swimsuit. Okay, during swimming, everybody will wear the swimming suit. That is called as swimsuit. Another one word, next word, shorts, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. Next, hat, H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. We used to wear hat on our head during the sun. Okay. Another one important thing, we used to wear sunglasses to prevent the hot sun. Okay. S-U-N, sun. G-L-A-S-S-E-S, sunglasses. Next word is sun cream. S-U-N, sun. C-R-E-A-M, sun cream. Then flip flop. F-L-I-P, flip. F-L-O-P-S, flip flops. Next word is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Then beach ball. B-E-A-C-H, beach. B-A-L-L, ball, beach ball. And then next word is hot. H-O-T, hot. Next word is hose. H-O-S-E, hose. Okay. I hope everybody have learnt the spelling of these summer related words. Okay, children. Let me go to the next activity. Okay. Now, some are the pictures given which you know already. Okay. See the picture, children. What is there? Fly. F-L-Y, fly. And then butter. You know butter? Yes. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. And then coat. C-O-A-T, coat. See the next word. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. See the next word. Bow. B-O-W, bow. See the next word. Ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. See the next word. Foot. F-O-O-T, foot. And then I, E-Y-E, I. And then print. P-R-I-N-T, print. Okay, children. Now, let us see the words again. Fly, F-L-Y, fly. Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Coat, C-O-A-T, coat. Rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Bow, B-O-W, bow. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. E-Y-E-I, print, P-R-I-N-T, print. Okay, children. I hope everybody understood the words. Now let us see some other words. See the picture. Mail. M-A-I-L. Mail. M-A-I-L. Mail. M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. P-A-N, pan. Cake, C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Fire, F-I-R-E, fire. F-I-R-E, fire. Dog, D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. House, H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Boat, B-O-A-T, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Have you understood, children? Let us repeat the words again. Mail, M-A-I-L, mail. M-A-N, man. B-O-X, box. P-A-N, pan. C-A-K-E, cake. Fire, F-I-R-E, fire. D-O-G, dog. H-O-U-S-E, house. B-O-A-T, boat. Have you understood, children? Okay. Now, see the next picture. It is a crossword, but puzzles are solved already. Okay. Now, van. V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. See the next picture. Gas, G-A-S, gas, G-A-P, gap. See the next one. N-A-P, nap, W-A-X, wax. See the next one. J-A-M, jam, M-A-T, mat, J-A-M, jam, M-A-T, mat. See the next one. C-A-B, cab, B-A-T, bat. C-A-B, cab, B-A-T, bat. Okay, have you understood, children? Next is an activity for you. These also some more 3-letter words. Let us read and repeat. Okay, say along with me. M-E-T, met. M-E-T, met. S-E-T, set. S-E-T, set. L-E-T, let. L-E-T, let. W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. L-A-P, lap. L-A-P, lap. See the next line, third line. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. H-I-P, hip. H-I-P, hip. S-I-P, sip. S-I-P, sip. W-O-N, one. W-O-N, one. Now go to the next line, children. Fourth line, mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. F-O-G, fog. F-O-G, fog. J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. See the next line. Bug. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. R-U-G, rug. R-U-G, rug. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. Now go to the next line. Bad. B-A-D, bad. B-A-D, bad. M-A-D, mad. M-A-D, mad. H-A-D, had. H-A-D, had. W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. Next go to the last line. Ten. T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Okay, children, I hope everybody understood how to read all these words. Let me repeat once again. Met. M-E-T, met. S-E-T, set. L-E-T, let. W-I-N, win. See the second line. T-A-P, tap. D-O-T, dot. M-A-P, map. L-A-P, lap. Next line. L-I-P, lip. H-I-P, hip. S-I-P, sip. W-O-N, one. See the next line. M-A-T, mat. D-O-G, dog. F-O-G, fog. J-O-G, jog. See the next line. B-U-G, bug. P-I-G, pig. R-U-G, rug. M-U-G, mug. See the next line. B-A-D, bad. M-A-D, mad. H-A-D, had. W-E-T, wet. See the last line. T-E-N, ten. M-A-T, mat. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. Okay, children. So far you have learnt some of the 3-letter words and 4-letter words. I think it is enough for today. Let us see some of the worksheet for you. Okay. Now see the picture. Observe the picture. Here you are going to find out the answer. Okay. The spelling of these words are given in jumbled letters. You have to arrange and correctly find the name of the picture. See the first picture. What is that? Can you identify the picture? See the next chart, children. Here it is an exercise for you. Here some of the pictures are given and the name of the pictures are given in jumbled letters. You have to arrange and find out the name of the picture. See the first one. What picture it is? Yes, cat. So, C-A-T, cat. Cat is the correct one. See next one. Yes, wag. W-A-G, wag. W-A-G, wag. See the third one. What is it? Can you find out? Yes, H-A-M, ham. H-A-M, ham. See the next one. Pan. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. See the next one. What is that? Yes, price tag you have seen in the dresses, new dresses, isn't it? Yes, T-A-G, tag. See the next one. Yes, hat. H-A-T, hat. Very good. See the next one. Yes, you all love to eat this. Yes. Yes, very good. Jam. J-A-M, jam. See the next one. What picture it is? Very good. Van. V-A-N, van. See the next one. Yes. Mat. M-A-T, mat. Very good, children. You all answered all the words very correctly. Let us see once again. First one is cat. Second one is wag. Third one is ham. Fourth one is pan. Next one is tag. And then next is hat. And next jam, van and mat. Very good, children. Next we will go for one activities which is purely for you. Okay. Observe the squares given in the board. Okay, children. Anything you can guess with this? Yes, you are going to fill the boxes. I'll say the rules. You have to do one for you. Okay, children. Now, see the picture given in the board. Okay, there are some squares, isn't it? In that you see in each line there are three squares. So that what is our game means, you have to fill with 3-letter word. First, in the first top 3 boxes, you have to fill one 3-letter word. For example, cat. C-A-T, cat if you are filling means the first box will be completed. Then for the next line, from the second letter you have to start one new word and you have to complete it. Similarly, in third line, from second letter of the second word you have to start and you have to complete the word. Likewise, another next word also you have to complete. I have done one for you. Just you have to see this. Okay. First, C-A-T, cat. First line is completed. What you have to do in the next line means you have to start with A. Next word you have to start with A. The word something starting with A you have to start and you have to complete in that 3 boxes. Have you think about any 3 words? Okay. Now see, I have done another one for you. See the next word. It is starting with A, that is second letter of the cat. A-N-T, ant. Now, ant completed. Now, third word, you have to start with the second letter, that is N. N-E-T, net. Okay, this is over. The next word, you have to start with E. E-G-G, egg. Likewise, you make some squares for 3 letters, 4 letters, and you play in house. You do as many possible in your house and practice with many words. Very good, children. Now we are going to see some of the spellings. I will say the word, you have to say the spelling. Very good. Say the spelling of ball. How many letters are there in ball? 4. Very good. What is the spelling? Yes. B-A-L-L. Ball. Very good. Okay. Say the spelling of cat. Yes. C-A-T. Cat. Very good. Say the spelling of dog. Good. D-O-G. Dog. Okay. What is the spelling of pan? P-A-N. Pan. Very good. What is the spelling of shirt? S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Very good. Say the spelling of sun. S-U-N. Sun. Good. Say the spelling of water. Yes. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Very good. Say the spelling of rain. R-A-I-N. Good. Rain. Say the spelling of net. N-E-T. Net. Very good. Say the spelling of egg. Yes. E-G-G. Egg. Say the spelling of swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. Very good. Say the spelling of hat. H-A-T. Hat. Okay, children. You practice with so many 3-letter words and 4-letter words. Whenever you find time in your house, don't waste your time. Okay. Thank you.